Good evening, everyone. Tonight what we're going to be talking about is area and perimeter of a missing side. We talked about this in class, and you guys did an awesome job when you're given the area, trying to find a missing side, and then having to find the perimeter. So we're going to do those problems first, kind of build our confidence up. So I have my sticky note to help me, so don't mind that. So if we are missing the area of the length of a side, and we have a figure, and let's say this side is 5 feet, and our area is 40 feet. We need to know what this side is in order to find the perimeter. Again, you guys did an awesome job of this in class. You guys knew that you could do 40 divided by 5 to get this side. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. So this side is 8 feet. Because again, we took the total and divided it out. Now when we wanted to find the perimeter, you guys also knew that since this side is 5 feet, then this side has to be 5 feet. If this side is 8 feet, this side also has to be 8 feet. For perimeter, the formula for perimeter is a little weird. It's 2L plus 2W. And what that's saying is you need to double the length and double the width. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 8 plus 8, which is 16. So our perimeter is 26 feet. Now, the challenging part that we had last night, the challenging part that we had today in class was if we're given the perimeter. So I'm going to slide my iPad over, give us some more room. So if we have the perimeter, and our perimeter is 58, let's say, centimeters, and we have a figure like this, and this side we're going to say is 12 centimeters. We had a really hard time figuring out this missing side, which is fine because we're going to practice it again tomorrow in class. So if this side is 12, we also know that this side is 12. And that's just our knowledge of figures. So if this side is 12 and this side is 12, together, these make 24. Now, in order for us to solve for the perimeter, we know that 24 is the width of both. So our perimeter is 58. So 58 has to equal 24 plus 2 widths, because we need to know what this side is and this side is. So we're going to take away what we know. We're going to take away 24. So I'm taking away this side and this side because they're already accounted for within my problem. So 58 minus 24, this is going to be 4 and this is 3. Now I have 34 centimeters to share between these two lengths. So basically I had a figure and I knew these two, but now I need to find these two sides. So I need to take 34 and I need to share it between the top and the bottom of my rectangle. So we're going to do 34 divided by 2. And I'm going to use partial quotients to help me. 2 times 10 is 20, and then we have 14 left over. 2 times 7 makes 14, which gives us 0 at the end. So my answer for each side is 17 centimeters. Again, this is a lot of steps, and not only did we have to find the missing side, but I went crazy and told you that you had to find the area too. So we had to do all of this work and then know that the area equals the length times the width. So we had to do 17 times 12 after we were all done with this work. So the best way to do that is to use the box method. So we have 10, 7, 10, 2, so this one's 100, 70, 20, and 14. And we can add all of those partial products together. So our area is 204 centimeters squared. That was a lot. But we have to do a lot of work when we're given just the perimeter, because we need to add, subtract, and then we need to divide. So if you want to know steps for finding perimeter, you, 1, find the other side, like this 12. This 12 matches this 12. The second thing that we had to do was add those two sides together. So we figured out that that was 24. 12 plus 12 is 24, which this was step 1 and this one's step 2. Then you had to subtract from the total perimeter, which this step right here was step 3. Now, step 4, we needed to find out the missing side, and so by doing that, we had to divide by 2. To show the other two sides. Again, a lot of work. So you need to be showing your work, you need to be showing your thinking, and you need to be able to explain it to someone else. Tonight you're going to do 2 problems for homework. One where you're going to have the area given to you, and one where you're going to have the perimeter. If you're still having a hard time, please do it anyway so I can help you with your misconceptions when you come into class tomorrow. So here are the problems you're going to be working on tonight. Let me give myself some room. So for homework, number 1, if the area of a figure is 36 inches and you have this, and this is 6 inches, what is the missing length? And then what is the perimeter, just like we looked at in class today. Your second problem, if the perimeter is 108 centimeters, and your figure looks like this, and this side is 20 centimeters, what is the length of that side and what is the area? So length equals length and area. Remember, follow the steps. If you need help, remember these 4 steps here to help you with the second problem. I hope you have a great night. I can't wait to see your answers tomorrow and all of your wonderful thinking tomorrow in class. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!